at you with that Thruster Fixie bike check for all the haters. Got my thruster here. Our Originate risers with the Ori handlebar grips. Should know about that 38C bar spin, haters. Look at that toe clearance. And there's our 165mm factory cranks, the 44-16. Got our Animal Hamilton pedals, Burrow straps, representing from our boys at Burrow. Got this Quando flip-flop hub in the back here, and then our Resist Icon pivotal seat with a premium pivotal seat post, pivotal setup, $100 fixed gear. That's smart. Then we got this Nog Boomer rechargeable light in the back here, also smart. And our McDonald's color scheme, as you can see, red and yellow here, and purple, cuts hipster. Then of course, kickstand on a fixed gear, that's stinking smart. So that was our Thruster Fixie bike check for you. Hope you like it, haters.